I'm making it simple because I make it simple. You can complicate what I just made simple. That's so important to understand. It's very deep. It is simple because I'm a simple guy. If you're not a simple person, it's not simple for you. Because you know what you do? You go, well, I need to make money. That means I need to have a brand, an audience, and post. I need to have all of Armin's course finished. I just told you how my brain works. Do I have people to talk to? No. Do I have people to out for a call to? No. Do I post to reach out? No. So I just like, my brain's like, duh. But like, you might go, here's where it gets complicated. Everyone pay attention. This is where you complicate the simple thing. You guys think the method is what makes it simple. No, the mindset is what makes it simple. Not the, give me a car. I'll simplify how I break it apart and put it back together, even though it's a very complex machine. But I'll give you a Rubik's Cube. You'll complicate your whole life over this thing. I have to switch all these different. I go, just do this until it aligns. Mindset makes it simple, not the method. My method is, every method is complex. If it's a good method, it has some complexity to it because it's advanced. Because it's thought of every scenario you need. That's why it's a good method. Bad method is like, do these 3 steps. That's not a method. That's barely a checklist. Okay? So a really good method has a sophistication to it. What makes it simple is your mindset of how you do things with what you have. So I say, do I have people to talk to ask for money? My brain's thinking like this. No. Then I got to go book some calls. Your brain might go, I don't have any sales calls, which means I don't have any leads, which means I don't have to post more. Why? Why does your brain do that? Just backwards. Now let's say we got to get in the chats. I'll go in and go, who's the most likely person to not waste my time on to talk to get them on a call? Very simple for me. You might go in and go, who's my hot leads, warm leads, cold leads? How do I put them let me put them on a Google sheet. Let me watch this training again one more time to find out who my ideal avatar is. And then like by the time you actually go look at a profile and reach out to someone, you talk to like 2 people in like 3 hours because you're thinking about it so hard.